My viewers and sub, big super down in a Roach gully. Continuous work taking place here. And we just a look. So we see them cut down the hillside. See bulldozer working. So stick and stay. Why them people that live up on the side of the hill there? Me always worry about them, you know, people. Yeah, people that live up on the side of the hill. See it? So you can't see the house there, right at the edge. So I don't know how them do it. But I pray for them. I'm up on the side of the hill there. Hope everything alright to them up there. We're there in a Roach gully, people. Yeah, we're there in a Roach gully. We're up on the ground once again in a Roach gully. And we see where them are dig down. We see where them are dig down the hill. So we just make a walk. Big super just make a walk in a Roach gully. We see the continuous work. And me a load of peel with that house up on the hillside there. And thing. I tell you, load of peel out for them people up on the hillside. Hope everything alright with them over in a Roach gully. We'll just take a walk and we see a bulldozer tractor work. And we just take a walk. And you guys can see what really take place around this side here. Big super. The underground. Yeah, the underground. Over there, basically button be side. Yeah. We have to go up to where the tractor is working. So we just come at the side here and we look over. See a lot of work taking place over this side here. Big super is on the ground. Looking especially on that hillside here, people. Yeah, concerned about this hillside here. And it continues. And the house where they are the hedge. Viewers and sub. So stick and stay. And viewers, when you hear them talk about falling boulders, you see it? So the house of people, we get closer to it, right on the edge. We are showing you falling rock. So you see why you have to be careful when you're on this side here. A lot of falling rock around here, viewers and sub. Yeah, big super is on the ground here, taking a look at what's taking place down here. Botany Bay. So that the detour road, people. Watch a dog there. How far for walk, you know? You must go on, you know? I tell you, all the dog at the detour road. So we have come round. We see one a tractor vator, big heavy unit of work. I dig down the hillside. Big super up on the ground. And we are look upon the work we are going in a Roach gully. And my viewers and sub. You can see it. So the hillside of people. I'm going to show you. See the house? You can see how close the house there to the edge. Big super of a concern about that. My viewers and stuff, when you pull up the comment section and tell me what you think with the hillside I dig off and the house there where they so close. So close, see there? Let me try it up back again, you see it? So close to the edge. Yeah, my viewers and stuff. Big super is in Roach Gully. And we just a 360. And I show you what I go on this side here as we walk through Roach Gully. And while we're looking at the work that take place, the work that take place. Looking at the work at this time. So, work continue to take place, people. Round in a Roach Gully. And big super is on the ground. Just observing. And we have a concern about the hill. As we say, we have a concern about that house. People can follow up the comment section and let me know what you think about that building where they're right at the edge. Yeah. People follow up the comment section and make big super know. Yeah. What the concern is like. Yeah. And we look right over on the detour road that they make, and we see vehicle traverse back and forth on the road. Some of viewers and stuff. And we come in a Roach Gully, we just give a quick synapse of what's taking place around here. So stick and stay.